Hey, welcome back to our channel with Alana
And Crystal.
Today we will be talking more in depth about our service team and how we service all different types of instruments.
We service things as Ipix, Grabner, Tanaka, Visaya service, and all your calibration units.
We are also certified for ISO 17025.
One of our great advantages of sending your unit into us is we have a 3-day turnaround time.
We also have factory-trained personnel with decades of experience.
Also, we do on-site service as well as in-house service, meaning you guys can send in your unit to us, drop it off, or we could come and visit you.
We also have 2 service centers in the United States, Houston, and Chicago.
Authorized service reps for AYALYTICAL, Tanaka, and Visaya.
And free software updates are available.
Wow. Let's take you around and show you more of our service team. What did you guys think?
Did you guys like it?
Pretty cool, huh? If you have any questions over calibration, repairs, application questions, go ahead and visit our website at www.ayalytical.com, or you can email our service team directly at service.ayalytical.com.